Day 2 of making a virus. God damn, we got some glue with the gum and some wood on it. We gotta open this shit. I need to open it more. So, still smells pretty good. Time to add this shit. Oh fuck. Okay, at least the glue's in. Need to wind like the wood and this shit. Why is it hard so what the? Okay, anyways, I'm picking it. And some wood. Oh no. Shake it. This. Well, I hope it's in the next day. I hope the piece of glue right over here. Oh my god, fuck, right over here. I hope it doesn't like stay hard as hell. Wait a minute. It's hard as hell. Okay. Well, goodbye.